Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on October 2nd to honor the legendary leader, Mahatma Gandhi, without whom India wouldn't have been free from the clutches of the Britishers. His non-violent ways united millions of people to follow the path of ahimsa and protest against the evil oppression. Mahatma Gandhi left behind a legacy to inspire people and unify with brotherhood in arms. October 2nd has been announced as a national holiday in India, but people across the country and globe celebrate the occasion by participating in functions, theatres, community services, etc. Schools and educational institutions hold activities like essay writing, art and poetry competitions, and plays to commemorate Gandhi's ideologies once again. We have listed down a few speech ideas for students on Gandhi Jayanti so that they can bring alive Gandhi's struggle to find peace for the country. First idea of the topic could be on his personal life. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Originally a lawyer, Gandhi's knees used to tremble when asked to speak up in front of a large crowd in London where he went to study as a barrister. With passing age, his memorials concluded that the man had transformed from a quiet, shy barrister to India's leading voice that had led the country to its freedom. His struggles to overcome the obstacles can be an inspirational topic to give a speech on. Second idea of the topic could be on his various movements. Mahatma Gandhi has played pivotal roles in the major protest movements like Dandi March, Quit India movement, Non-Cooperation movement that helped India to get its independence. Millions of people used Gandhi's ideologies of non-violence and peace to protest, and at last, they regained their long-lost freedom. Voicing his opinion and views projected Gandhi as a noteworthy leader. His leadership skills can certainly inspire students to make a better and peaceful approach. Third idea of the topic could be on International Day of Non-Violence. On 15th June 2007, the United Nations General Assembly voted October 2nd, Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, to be rightfully observed as the International Day of Non-Violence. The idea behind it was to disseminate and educate the masses about the message of non-violence in protests, activities, and everyday life. Mahatma Gandhi's ideology of ahimsa inspired India's citizens to peacefully protest against the Britishers. It left the British Empire wondering how to even tackle such peaceful protests. This speech idea can be decorative, with ample examples of Gandhi's take on the protests. Fourth idea of the topic could be on his principles and quotes. Mahatma Gandhi, lovingly called Bapu, left behind a string of quotes and principles that are observed with utmost importance to this day. His inspirational words and philosophies attracted the people in an instant and motivated them to live their lives based on strong principles. Gandhi's memoirs have been appreciated as one of the most influential, encouraging, and heartening memories ever. He led his praiseworthy life, yet he stuck to the ground to achieve the country's dream for independence. Fifth idea of the topic could be on his message to the youth of India. The youth of a country together has the power to move mountains and achieve anything they want to. Gandhi always believed that the youth of a nation is responsible for the country's uplift and development. The nation's responsibilities lie on the shoulders of the youth. Sentiments, actions, and unity bring together the citizens of a country led by the upcoming generation. The speech idea of Gandhi's message to the youth is bound to make every student and teacher listen to you with the utmost attention. Sixth idea of the topic could be on the struggle for independence. Mahatma Gandhi never praised himself. He only wanted the nation to realize its potential together and prove the Britishers wrong. To speak about Gandhi alone would be like going against his wishes. So it is all the more important that a speech about India's struggle for independence and freedom should be highlighted as well. The hardships that India faced for centuries is incomparable to anything else. We stand here today, all because of the freedom fighters and especially Mahatma Gandhi, who contributed their lives solely to free India's soil.